Namaskar, welcome back to my channel friends. Hope you all are doing good. So I'm back with a new video and we are going to talk about 5 must-have dresses. So here is the first one, which is the most versatile one, which is a black dress. So black dress is like a must have because you can pair it with literally everything, and you can wear this dress with anywhere. You can pair it with a glittery shoes and go to a party. You can pair it with black pumps and go to your office. You can pair it with white sneakers and go for a casual date. So I think a black dress is like a must have and a perfect attire to wear literally everywhere. So the first choice in the dresses, must have dresses, is definitely gonna be a black dress. Definitely, it totally depends upon the styling, the flare or straight fit, whatever you want, you can choose as per your comfort level. Here is the second one. The second option is a printed dress. So print is of course totally is your choice. If you love floral, you can go for floral. I wore a snake print dress, and nowadays snake prints are in too much trend, so I think this kind of a dress is also a good option. You can go with animal prints like leopard print and tiger print. You can also go with florals, check length dress. So the length, the styling, the sleeves, everything is totally depend upon your styling sense or your comfort level. But yes, a printed dress is also a must have. Yeah, so here is the third one. Third one is a maxi dress. So yes, maxi dress is like, I think most of the girls love maxi dress because they are so comfortable, airy, flowy, and for a no-show day, a maxi dress is perfect. So I think you should definitely add one maxi dress. The prints, the design, the styling is totally your choice, but yes, you should add a maxi dress in your wardrobe because if you are going on a beach, the outfit. So I think a maxi dress is also a must-have. Here come the fourth one, which is a formal dress. So I think most of the girls nowadays are working, so a formal dress is also a must have because there are so many days when we cannot decide that which blouse we have to pair with which pant. This is so confusing some days. So for that busy day, a formal dress is gonna help you a lot because you don't need to think about pairing ideas and you are just going to wear it and ready for the office. So I think a formal dress is also a must have. And even if you are not working, if you are a mother or if you have to go to some seminars or if you have to attend your PTMs, my fourth option is a formal dress. And here comes the last one. So the last one is a casual dress. Yes, casual. So here I wore this dangri kind of dress, but you can definitely go with t-shirt dresses. So one casual, if you have to go for shopping or if you are just want to go for a casual date. So these kind of casual dresses are really ready to wear kind of things. Just wear it, don't even think. So yes guys, these were my 5 dresses which I think a must have for your wardrobe, so that you will be sorted for anywhere, for every occasion. You have a perfect pick. So yes, these were my 5 must have dresses. Please comment below what you think about this, and thank you so much guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. Namaskar.